And for tonight's adventure, we are at Doral Cityplace. We will be coming inside here and let's see what we can get into. All right, guys, so we're here. We are at Cityplace Doral. So believe it or not, it's actually our first time here. So let's go around, see what's here, see what type of restaurants and what type of activities we can do here. And you guys, you ready to have some fun? Yes. Let's go do this and let's go. So far, this place is really, really nice. I mean, as you can see, there's a Juan Valdez coffee, and I always thought that was just something you bought at the store. BurgerFi. I'm gonna go in here one day and eat again. I love their burgers. A Foodie gelato spot. I really dig this place. I really can't believe this is the first time I've been here, and it's really, I'm impressed with this place. I mean, seems high end, but I'm liking this. All right. Maybe one of the prettiest alleyways I've ever seen. We're almost in the center courtyard area, and there is a Sloan's ice cream. Oh my, this place is awesome. And Crystal saw Hello Kitty. All right, let's go inside and take a look in here. This is something else. It's so colorful. Wow. And yeah.
Oh, that's so cute. They look real.
We had to come inside here. This is insanely detailed.
Oh, I want this one. It's cute. How much is he?
These cookies look amazing. A hot bomb. It's the first time I've heard of this, and I'm so curious by this right now. This is so decadent. This is so amazing. There is quite literally every candy and chocolate and ice cream here. $100 for Tracy's kitchen sink. We have got to try that. It's $100 though, but we gotta do that. This actually looks pretty good, this place. The Cuba Cabana. Outdoor bar with nice. We love 57 Chevy. Design-wise, this place is absolutely gorgeous. Look at this. There's a bowling alley here. Nice. Now this is pretty awesome. There's an actual escape room here. This place is so amazing. I want to do this so bad right now. And here's some of the themes that they have here. They have a Lost City theme, Batman, the Scooby-Doo room, and the Pirates. And of course the bowling alley. And here's one of the other restaurants, Novecento. Dude, this design is just absolutely breathtaking. Wow. And the Miami Improv at Doral. Oh, this is so great.
Cover up, represent Miami. We got the Metallica fans in the house. Metallica.
There's an actual rock club and restaurant and bar in there. That is so awesome. I think I'm the only one that's enthusiastic about it because he's too
Oh,
quiet.
I like it, favorite. You walk away.
I really like this place.
I do too. I really
It's
like it.
interesting. There's a pop-up project space for a Doral Contemporary Art Museum. Huh. That's pretty cool. And of course, Cinebistro, which for some reason I'm ashamed that I still have not done this. I heard it's a great experience. And of course, the gym rat in me found the gym. I'm not gonna lie, this gym looks pretty great. Wow. I'm so impressed with how beautiful this is. Such a great spot just to have fun and just have a great night out with friends and family. We are so doing those escape rooms. I'm telling you that right now. You know what? I think that we're gonna come here and watch The Wolfman and have dinner and a movie.
Yeah.
Are you good for that?
Yeah.
I think we're gonna do that.
Okay.
All right. So we're not going to the Improv, so let's go downstairs. Okay? No, it's too loud. Let's go downstairs. There's the Improv. And you know what? Let's take a quick peek inside King's Bowl and see how it is. Actually, it's pretty cool being a legit pool hall and bowling alley in here with 2 sets of lanes. That was fun. It was our first time coming over here. Parking's a fair price, and it's got a lot of things to do here. I mean, it's more of an eatery spot, but in all actuality, it's got fun nightlife themed activities to do. So, you guys, really, if you like what we do, just give us a like, comment, and subscribe. And if there's anything that comes to mind, listen, just let us know. Drop it in the comments. And you guys, we love you all, and we'll see you next time.
Toodles.